Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new, exciting emergency radio. I mean, this is really brand new. It's from iRonsnow. I reviewed a number of his products. They all turned out to be good products. This one is so new, it's not yet in the Amazon store in the U.S. It will be, not yet. It is in some of the Amazon stores in other countries. And it's available on his store webpage, which I will put a link to that webpage in the first comment below this video. Anyway, let's go show you the radio. It's AM, FM, and weather band. It's an emergency radio, so it has solar charging, has a built-in battery, has crank charging, and over here under this little tab, if I can get it open here, little fumble fingers me, there we go, is for charging it via USB or using it as a USB power adapter source to charge like your cell phone. Pretty cool. There's the manual, and it comes with the USB cable, and it has a siren. I'm not going to push that. You have to push and hold that, and it's got a pretty loud alarm, plus the light here flashes, very bright light. This is the button to turn that light on. Whoa, it is really powerful. Here's the tuning knob. Here is the on-off volume, and the band select is right here, and it has a built-in telescopic antenna. So we can turn it on. That's the volume knob. I correct myself. This is the tuning knob.
Northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts
Weather
up to
band.
20 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a moderate chop.
So I'm in my office right now, and I got a lot of electronics in my office. So radios typically struggle to receive anything. This one's not having any problem at all.
25 knots. Seas 2 to 4
This is the indication of how charged the battery is. I just charged it up, so it's 100%. And we can look at the manual right here real quick, and then it'll tell you, I think it's, let me look it up. It is, the battery capacity is 4,000 milliamp hours. So a pretty big battery. It's got a little tuning indicator here. It lit up briefly. There we go.
A chance of showers with a slight chance of
And it locked in there for a second.
Thursday, northwest to 40 knots with gusts up to 55 knots.
Try the FM band.
7 feet.
Turn the volume down because it's got plenty of volume. Yep, locked.
But this weekend was relaxing for you.
Really locks on. Trying to stay away from music. Picking up a lot of stations. Okay, we'll try the AM band. Turn the volume up. And again, it's going to struggle in my office getting the AM band. Whoa. See, it's got plenty of volume. Very clear.
That's good too. Okay, you can get me.
Oh yeah, it's doing good.
Me too. And I hated him for that. But he doesn't just go by the polls. He looks at.
I really like the shape of it. Fits in the palm of your hand very nicely. Pretty cool. Got a carrying strap, which is cloth, which is good. Even got an adjustment here. Like I say, it's if you push and hold this button, it will sound an alarm. So if you're buried in the snow or something, people can find you. Plus, it will cause the light to flash on and off. Pretty nice. It does not have any removable batteries. Really looks nice, rugged. It looks rugged. That's the word I want to say for it. So that's what I want to say about it. It looks rugged. That's it. I want to thank the people at iRonsnow for sending me these things to review. This is a good one. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.